today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where your incoming call ring volume gets low and you find yourself missing a lot of calls. So you might have set your ringtone under settings, and under sounds and haptics, you might have set your volume to a reasonably high volume, but for some reason when you have incoming calls, the ringer volume gets low. Now the reason for this might be something in your settings. So if you go to settings on your iPhone and then go to Face ID and passcode and tap on that, then of course you'll need to enter your current passcode before. And once you enter the correct passcode, it's going to let you into Face ID and passcode. Now here, look for this option called Attention Aware Features. It's currently enabled by default, and it says iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So what you need to do is turn this feature off. Once you turn that off, now you'll never miss a phone call because the ringer volume got low for some reason. It's always going to ring at the volume you set under sounds and haptics. And that's basically how to fix that little problem where your ringer volume gets low during incoming calls. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.